Assalamualaikum students, how are you? Now we are going to start chapter 2 chemical combination. The first topic is law of conservation of mass. The French chemist Lavoisier tried to learn about chemical changes by weighing the quantities of substances used in chemical reactions. He found that when a chemical reaction was carried out in a closed system, the total weight of the system was not changed. The statement of the law of conservation of mass: in any chemical reaction, the initial weight of a reacting substances is equal to the final weight of the product. It means mass is neither created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. Reactants are the starting material in a chemical reaction. Products are the substance formed as a result of chemical reaction. It means mass is neither created nor destroyed during a chemical reaction. For example, when 50 gram oxygen combined with 50 gram of carbon produce 100 gram of CO2. It means mass of reactant equal to mass of product. Second law of constant composition or law of definite proportion. French chemist Louis Proust summarized this result in the form of law of definite proportion. The statement of this law: different samples of the same compounds always contain the same element combined together in the same proportion by mass. For example, every sample of pure water prepared in the laboratory or obtained from the rain, river or water pump contains 1 part of hydrogen and 8 parts of oxygen by mass. Similarly, KCl always contains 1 atom of K for every 1 atom of Cl. In KCl, potassium and chlorine always have a ratio of 39.09 to 35.45 or 1:1 by mass. Third law is law of multiple proportion. This law presented by John Dalton. According to this law, it states that if two elements combine to form more than one compound, the masses of one element that combines with the fixed mass of the other element are in the ratio of small whole number or simple multiple ratio. For example, carbon forms two stable compounds with oxygen, namely carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. The different masses of oxygen 16 and 32, which combine with the fixed mass of carbon 12 gram, are in the ratio of 16:32, that is 1:2, which is simple whole number ratio and obey the law of multiple proportion. Next topic is type of chemical reaction. Chemical reactions can be divided commonly into 5 different types. Number 1, synthesis, addition or combination reaction. Second is decomposition reaction. Third is single replacement or displacement reaction. Fourth one is double replacement or displacement reaction. And last one is combustion reaction. Number 1 is synthesis or addition or combination reaction. A reaction in which two or more substances combine to form a single substance is called addition or combination reaction. This reaction are reverse of decomposition reaction. Second is decomposition reaction. A reaction in which a chemical substances break down to form two or more simpler substances is called a decomposition reaction. This reaction requires some energy for decomposition. Single replacement reaction. A reaction in which one atom or group of atoms of a compound is replaced by another atom or group of atoms is defined as displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction. It is a reaction in which two compounds exchange their partners so that two new compounds are formed. In double displacement reaction, usually there is an exchange of ionic radicals. Last one is combustion reaction, a reaction in which substances react with either free oxygen or oxygen of the air. With the rapid release of heat and flame is called combustion reaction. For example, when methane gas burns in air, it forms carbon dioxide, water, and heat. Similarly, carbon burned in air, it produces carbon dioxide gas and heat.